What's going on, family? Look, it's evening time, as you guys can see behind me. It's evening time. It's about 4:47 p.m. our time. And did you guys see what just happened today? Right? Stay tuned because this is very important. I just said it yesterday in the video that I dropped about gold, right? And what did I say? I said gold is going to drop down because it keeps gapping down. You might want to wait to buy. So check this clip out before we start so you know that when we say things on this channel, especially something like this, when it comes down to investing, I'm not no financial advisor. I am just your brother. I am someone that is really trying to help our people understand this and benefit from it. Because if you would have bought gold yesterday, today your portfolio would have been down. So check this clip out from yesterday and then we'll come back. You don't want to just buy it when the market closed, because that means that you're going to buy it at the top and then all of a sudden it will drop. So, you just got to be careful with gold. I always say it's always good to buy gold and hold it long term. Don't try to like trade. I mean, you can trade it if you understand what's going on, but gold is a commodity, a asset where you have to accumulate. Like I say, you don't have to buy $5,000 worth of gold. You can put $20, $30, whatever you have into gold time after time, and it will work out for you. So just little things like that, you have to understand how things are going to be playing out. So I would not be surprised if gold comes down to my box here that we marked out. So I usually keep these boxes and lines on here for every Sunday market blueprint, so we can see like, okay, what did we mark out last week? And I can see gold coming down here to 4,800, possibly 4,670 area, to fill out this loose change, this liquidity, and possibly reversing or continuing to push back down to 4,400 area. So, that's my analysis with gold. Yeah, it's never bad to buy gold. I'll say that. All right, guys, as you heard, I was saying gold was gapping down, and I will not be surprised if gold comes down to 4,800, maybe 4,600, but the ultimate support almost, I'll say not the last support, but I'll say a level to watch out for, because it is that is a big push down today. It's 4,400. And if not, you get what I'm saying? You might have to watch out for 3,500. That's another level of support. So I wanted to do this quick video and show you guys. So let's go to the charts real quick. Here on gold, guys. And as we are here, we see this big push down. So this is a big push down on gold. And just like the clip you was just seeing, I said, hey, if this breaks below this level of 5,000 pretty much, because day after day it kept gapping down. If it breaks that level, it's due to come down here to 4,000 and take 4,600 and take this liquidity out, this loose change in the market that needs to get taken out. And as you see, it passed that. So that is a big push down that I am paying attention to. I know yesterday I said, hey, it's always good to buy gold, but you have to know when to buy it. You get what I'm saying? If you are a long-term investor, that's a little bit of a different story. But if you are a investor like us that wants to, benefit from what's going on in the market and then take it out maybe 2 weeks, maybe a month, you have to understand the technicals. So you have to know the technicals. The fundamentals is okay, but when it comes down to certain things like this, you have to know the technicals. So this is why I say, like, the things that I try to tell you guys about, like Sunday Market Blueprint. We literally said this on Sunday. We marked this out. We talked about it and said we have to be careful with gold today. Gold is starting to gap down. Don't try to and put all your money in there right now. You know, although we are in uncertain times, people are still not putting their money into gold. There's a lot of things that people are not starting to put their money into, or their finances into, and that's it's getting down to the stock market and things like that. AI stocks, tech company stocks. It seems like today a lot of things are down, as you see over here to the right. Tesla's down about 2%. Nvidia's down 1%. Amazon, Meta, QQQ, U.S. oil is consolidating. Gold is down $322, $323. You get what I'm saying? Bitcoin is dropping, cryptocurrency is dropping, Nasdaq it's holding up because I was trading it a little bit earlier. The VIX is pumping, so the VIX is more of like the volatility in the S&P 500 and like big companies. So that when that pumps, a lot of things dumps. Yeah, some good investments that we are in is Chevron oil, that's pumping up, and the UVXY. We invest in that because we believe that the economy is not going to do so well. So when the economy doesn't do so well, this is something that you can invest in to take advantage of that. But when it start to gain its strength back and do well, take your money out and move it to something else. But I'm on here to let you guys know, hey, be careful when you are investing in gold, because like I said, just yesterday, just like we was discussing on Sunday Market Blueprint, I would not be surprised if gold comes down here to 4,400 and start to play around a little bit. So I can see gold coming down here, maybe passing it, coming back up, playing around, and possibly shooting back all the way down here to, what is this, 3,500. So look, these things you have to pay attention to have your funds work for itself. You have to be a smart investor. You have to be a smart trader. And these are the things that we do talk about on Sunday Market Blueprint, guys. It is not a joke anymore. It's like, wow, okay. The things that we mark out, the things that we talk about, people really need to take advantage of it. Like, it's here. It's here. Like, if you're not doing anything else, if you need a new skill or something new to learn, this is it. This is it. I'm telling you, talk to anybody that is a investor, anybody that is in the stock market, in options, in futures, in Forex. They will say, man, I wish I would have knew this a little bit sooner. So as you're watching this, and if you are interested, trust me, click the links in the description. I do have one-on-one sessions. I do have the Sunday Market Blueprint. Every Sunday, we talk about these things. We mark out the chart. And this past Sunday, it did exactly what we were talking about. So it's not blowing my mind, but I just want people to take advantage of this because it's right here in real time. So, guys, I hope you guys are having a good day. Hope you guys are enjoying it. Hope you guys are, listening too, because we are in a time of knowledge that is going to be increasing. We are in a time to make sure that you can, go to the next level of abundance. If not, you're just going to be stagnant. You're just going to go with the world that's in chaos now. You're going to be confused. You're going to be, just going back and forth. You need to focus on something like this, so you won't fall with the rest of this crazy world. I'll say that. You have to focus. And I believe this is something that everybody should know, have a fundamental understanding of. And yeah, family, check the links in the description. I'm not trying to say this is it. Like, this is gonna, be like save all your finances and stuff, but this is a resource and a tool that you can use to increase your finances. So I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just your brother, and what I just saw just now, I'm like, whoa, dang, I knew it. So that's what I'm saying. Like, once you start to invest in and learn this skill set, you start to see the future a little bit. You start to see what's going to happen, and this is a perfect example for it. I just dropped that video yesterday, and it's doing exactly what I was saying. So I'm not trying to be prideful of it. I just really want people to know, like, hey, this is something that you really need to understand and have a foundation level of understanding of. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you like the video, leave your comments below. Subscribe to members only too if you guys do want the recording from Sunday Market Blueprint. I always record and I put it behind the scenes for members to check out. So if you are a paid member, you do get the benefits of that. So yeah, you can learn that way. That's $25 a month, and you get at least 4 videos. You get a little bit more also. So check it out, and look, I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Shalom.